Today we're diving straight into the wonderful world of rosemary tea. Here are 8 amazing health benefits of rosemary tea. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the health benefits of rosemary tea and show you how to prepare it at home. Plus, we'll share a bit of its fascinating history. But first, a quick favor. Please subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to reach 100 subscribers, and we'd love your support. Rosemary has been cherished for centuries, dating back to ancient Greece and Rome. This aromatic herb was used not only for cooking, but also for its medicinal properties. It's known as the herb of remembrance and has a rich history in both culinary and medicinal traditions. Ancient scholars believed rosemary could enhance memory, and it was often used in religious ceremonies and as a symbol of fidelity. This rich history sets the stage for understanding why rosemary tea is not just a delicious drink, but a potent health ally. Now, let's dive into the 8 health benefits of rosemary tea. 1. Antioxidant properties. Rosemary tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These compounds play a crucial role in protecting your body from oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. The antioxidants in rosemary tea help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cell damage. By drinking rosemary tea, you can boost your body's defense mechanisms, contributing to better overall health and longevity. 2. Improved digestion. Drinking rosemary tea can significantly aid digestion. This herb stimulates the production of bile, an essential component in the digestion of fats. Improved bile flow can enhance nutrient absorption and prevent common digestive issues like bloating and indigestion. If you often experience digestive discomfort after meals, incorporating rosemary tea into your routine might provide relief and promote a healthier digestive system. 3. Enhanced memory and concentration. Some studies suggest that compounds in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, may support brain health and improve memory and concentration. These compounds may increase the production of nerve growth factor, which supports brain cell function and connectivity. By drinking rosemary tea regularly, you might find an improvement in your cognitive functions, including better memory retention and sharper focus. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary can help reduce inflammation in the body, benefiting conditions like arthritis. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, and managing it is crucial for long-term wellness. Rosemary tea contains compounds that inhibit inflammatory pathways, providing a natural way to manage and reduce inflammation, thus potentially easing symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 5. Relief from headaches. Rosemary tea has traditionally been used to relieve headaches and migraines due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. The soothing properties of rosemary can help relax tense muscles and improve circulation, which are often contributors to headaches. Drinking a warm cup of rosemary tea might provide a natural remedy for alleviating headache pain and promoting relaxation. 6. Immune system support. With its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary tea can help boost your immune system and support overall health. A strong immune system is vital for defending against illnesses and infections. Rosemary contains essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, which are crucial for immune function. By incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine, you can provide your body with additional support to maintain a robust immune response, keeping you healthier and more resilient against seasonal illnesses. Number 7. Mood enhancement. The aroma of rosemary is thought to have a positive effect on mood and may help reduce stress and anxiety. The essential oils in rosemary can influence brain chemistry in ways that promote relaxation and well-being. Drinking rosemary tea can be a comforting ritual that not only soothes your body but also calms your mind, helping to alleviate feelings of stress and lift your spirits. 8. Respiratory health. Rosemary tea can help alleviate respiratory issues such as congestion and allergies due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The compounds in rosemary can help reduce mucus production and ease breathing, making it a useful natural remedy for colds, allergies, and other respiratory conditions. Sipping on rosemary tea can provide comfort and relief during times of respiratory discomfort. Now let's see how to make this delightful tea. To prepare rosemary tea, you will need 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary leaves or a fresh sprig of rosemary, 1 cup of boiling water. Optional, honey, lemon, or other herbs to enhance the flavor. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. 1. Boil water. Start by boiling a cup of fresh water. Use a kettle or pot and make sure the water reaches a rolling boil. Freshly boiled water ensures that you extract the full range of flavors and beneficial compounds from the rosemary leaves. 2. Prepare the rosemary. While the water is boiling, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary leaves or a sprig of fresh rosemary. If you're using fresh rosemary, give it a gentle rinse under cold water to remove any impurities. The fresh sprig should be fragrant and green, indicating its freshness. 3. Combine rosemary and water. Place the rosemary leaves or sprig in a teapot or directly into your cup. Pour the boiling water over the rosemary. The hot water will immediately start to release the aromatic oils and beneficial compounds from the leaves. 4. Steep the tea. Let the rosemary steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the teapot or cup with a lid or a small plate to keep the heat in. This steeping time allows the flavors to fully infuse the water, creating a rich and aromatic tea. Adjust the steeping time based on your taste preference. Longer steeping results in a stronger flavor. 5. Strain the leaves. After steeping, strain the leaves using a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser. If you prefer, you can leave the rosemary in the cup for a more robust flavor, but be aware that the tea might become quite strong and potentially bitter. 6. Add optional ingredients. If you like, add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten the tea naturally. A squeeze of lemon juice can add a refreshing citrus note and enhance the antioxidant properties. Other herbs like mint or lavender can also be added for additional flavors and benefits. 7. Enjoy your tea. Your rosemary tea is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to inhale the fragrant steam before taking your first sip. Savor the warm, comforting taste and let the soothing properties of rosemary tea work their magic. Before you start drinking rosemary tea regularly, remember to consume it in moderation. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare provider first. While rosemary tea offers many benefits, it's important to ensure it's safe for your individual health needs. I have personally enjoyed incorporating rosemary tea into my daily routine. Its soothing aroma and beneficial effects make it a delightful addition to my day. I'd love to hear about your experiences with rosemary tea too, so please share in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Remember, our goal is to reach 100 subscribers, and your support means the world to us. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.